He is finally here. After years of waiting, the dark mode in Power BI is available. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply it and how is the visual in Power BI. So let's tune in this video. So after many years of waiting, finally have at our disposal the dark mode in Power BI. How can we activate it? Uh, this version must be October 2024. How can we see if we are using the correct version? We're going help and about. As you can see, I'm using the current version, October 2024. The first time you update your Power BI to place this version, a pop-up will appear saying that the dark mode is available and asking when to activate it. If that doesn't occur, you can manually activate in the option menus. Just go to File, Optional Settings, Option, and here in Report Settings. Here we have a new option that is Customize Appearance in Preview. Change the overall appearance of your Power BI desktop. And this setting won't affect the report canvas as you can see the background. So we can choose our dark, light, that is completely blank. Let me change again. Legacy, that is the default, the one that is available today. And my favorite one, the dark mode. As you can see, all the menus now are black with white. For me, it's very good. My eyes appreciate it. And the canvas is still white because this canvas is totally customizable by us when we are creating our dashboard. So, what do you think of dark mode in Power BI? Let me know all in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to see our next video. For today, that's all. See you on the next video.